So I'm just going to show you the white grapevine and how well it's done here. It's grown up here, it's grown here, split into two, and it's also competing with the Clematis montana, which is down there somewhere. That's nowhere near as thick. And then just look how it's grown in this heat. It's really thick on here, and it's grown all around here. There's a bit of bramble in with it. The montana's there just peeping through, so that they've used each other basically, and then it's there and it's spread right across, really doing well. Now bearing in mind the sun comes up over there and goes up and down and around, it's actually, you know, done really well considering they really love sun and heat. So this is an English, British sort of English variety of grape. We've had a few grapes off it, but I'm waiting for it to really come into life. Now taking some prunings off it, I'm going to go and show you. And like with the red currants, I've dug them into the ground. Just here, you can see them, and I've tucked them round the side of the wire. That wire's starting to droop a little, so I will need to tighten it up a touch, and probably at this end put a firmer stake in, like the wooden stake at that end is an old broom handle. So I'm going to see what spare I've got, and then train that across there. So yeah, the fruit is, I mean, not all that fruit's going to stay in that one place, obviously. It's just there as a nursery bed over this winter, and then we'll see if it's rooted. And then, as well as having the red grape, which is growing lovely there, which I bought for about £9 I think a few months ago, we'll have another white grape to grow somewhere down this end of the garden, outdoor. I've put the run next to the other run for the hens to extend the space a little bit, but I do concentrate them. For people who are wondering, there's not a lot of room there for them. I just concentrate them and then move them. They get kitchen scraps, and that works really well because they really concentrate on scratching the ground that they're in. A couple of nest boxes for them, big nest boxes, so they can roost, and then may get some more eggs, and then I'll move them again down onto the side of the plot. As you can see, most of my tools and things, that watering can's seen better days, but hey ho. So yeah, we'll see how that goes on. And like I said to you earlier on, we're going to move all this weave fabric. This is probably going to go down to the allotment now this winter to cover a good area, because it's long, it is really long. And then I've moved the old tank there, the hotbeds there, looking nice and smart and tidy.